to Today at the Office. I'm your host, René Diamante, and today we have the behind-the-scenes action happening in a commercial. We're going to have some exploding roses. Here's some of the equipment we're going to use for the job. Here's our doer's tank of liquid nitrogen. This is where we're getting our liquid nitrogen to freeze our roses. Then with a hose, we put the liquid nitrogen into this container to hold it till we use it. This is the setup. And these are known as squibs. Right here we have a range from 1/16 to 1/2. And this is what we use to blow up the flowers. Aren't they pretty? Poetry in motion. I love a good explosion. Sweet. Nice. Woohoo! Yeah. Lunchtime at the office. What's better than roses? Flaming roses. Isn't that beautiful? Check out the colors in that flame. You actually pound it on it with sparks. Then we have a little fire bar that's going to happen with a blower to blow, give a little lift to the flame. And then we also have a weed burner. We have your average barbecue, but inside this barbecue we have some horseshoes that are heating up for our locksmith setup. What's that for my show?
Oh, sick. What's your show?
Today at the Office.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, you want to be in it?
Hell yeah, I do. Hey, Renee, man, what's the ETA on your fire pit?
The fire pit's almost ready to go.
Copy that. Thank you.
Yeah. Woohoo! Get ready to do this. Anthony, light that sucker up.
Coming up.
Give it a little more juice, man. There you go. Now let's see the cinnamon rig working. Sweet! Yeah! And that is our kiln, kiddies. Sweet! Say that, Anthony. Look at that beautiful little sparking effect there we're getting out of the barbecue. A little blower, a little charcoal. Yeah! Just like roasting marshmallows. Throw another horseshoe on the barbie for me. Woohoo! Yeah. Roasting marshmallows. Horsey marshmallows. Well, thank you for joining me on Today at the Office. I hope you enjoyed the show. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we will catch you on the next one.